Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.51. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. The stock has experienced a loss of 31.84%. This amounts to an average loss of 2.45% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically signals an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor of $3.29 be breached, it could indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 20.43% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 13.61% to 259.56%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of 60.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 34.82% and 365.59% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.71 and $16.25. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: BigBear.ai Holdings stock price down 1.13% on Monday. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price decreased by 1.13% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 17th of March, 2025. The price fell from $3.53 to $3.49. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.12%, ranging from a low of $3.39 to a high of $3.67. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 5 of those days, resulting in an overall drop of 26.68%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 13 million shares, with a total of 41 million shares being exchanged, amounting to approximately $144.04 million. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 66.28%, or $6.86, below the 52-week high, and 78.35%, or $12.63, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. Shares of BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, have experienced significant volatility recently, primarily driven by a combination of disappointing earnings results and broader market fears regarding economic policies. The stock took a 25% hit following its fourth-quarter earnings report, despite securing a crucial contract worth $13.2 million with the U.S. Department of Defense. Analysts express concern about the company's minimal growth prospects and ongoing high cash burn, which have dampened investor sentiment. The stock's correction is anticipated to continue in the short term, as consensus estimates indicate persistent unprofitability. Furthermore, ongoing dilutive capital raises could negatively impact long-term shareholder value. Despite these challenges, some analysts maintain a bullish outlook, suggesting that current lower prices could present a buying opportunity, though this remains contingent on whether the company can stabilize and improve its financial situation. In the long term, the stock's performance will likely depend on BigBear.ai's ability to leverage its government contracts and transition toward a sustainable growth trajectory amidst the increasing focus on artificial intelligence development. Investors remain cautious as the recent earnings debacle has underscored the risks associated with high valuations during periods of market correction. As we move forward, BBAI's fate hinges on its operational execution and the evolving market landscape. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On the 15th of October, 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright gave BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock an overall sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have issued an overall strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $5.60. In the event of a decline, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $3.32. A breakthrough above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 64.31%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal arising 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, the volume decreased along with the price, which diminishes the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 85 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 128 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $3.34. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 275 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing an increase and decrease of 8.12%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.81%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could pose bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 6 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.53. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.34. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of March in the year 2025, Panjam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 3,629,108 shares of common stock. On the 13th of March in the year 2025, Panjam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 1,707,837 shares of common stock. On the 12th of March in the year 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. executed an insider sale of 16,000 shares of common stock. On the 7th of March in the year 2025, Panjam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 2,660,841 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March in the year 2025, Panjam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 3,137,293 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 92.393. In total, insiders purchased 4,651,738 shares and sold 110,208,961 shares in the last 100 trades. This stock has received a negative evaluation, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of March, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by 2.5 cents, with an expected trading price of $3.52. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.